Hello everyone, it's Fred from Landscape Plus, and today I wanted to show you the new Collingwood Spydra lights. So you can see here, these are a mushroom style lights, and they have come into the range to replace the previously popular Collingwood Mushroom lights. So you can see they're very similar. They do also have a flat topped version, which just has a square top, still circular, still 360 degrees. They are improved in a way in that they are now able to run on either 350 or 700 milliamp, whereas the old Mushroom lights were 24 volt, which meant they didn't fit in with the rest of the Collingwood system. And they also have a colour switchable LED on them now, so you can change by getting underneath the cover here. You can actually change the output light of the fitting itself, so between 2200 Kelvin and 3000 Kelvin. They're available in two colour finishes, so anthracite or black. And they do come with a range of mounting accessories. So you've got a spike that will come with every fitting. It looks quite dangerous. You'll get one of those with each fitting, and also this little sort of part here, which will basically allow you to spike it in the ground without damaging the fitting. So you screw that in the bottom there, and then you can spike that in place. And that allows you to push down with your foot rather than pushing from the top of the fitting. So you don't damage the top there. You can push down with your foot. There is also a surface mounting bracket available, so you can use that if you're, say, mounting it on concrete or paving or something like that. But those are purchased separately. And what I'll do now is I'd just like to show you the two different colour options that are on there and turn it on with a power supply. So we've just dimmed the lights in the studio a little bit, so you'll be able to see the light output of the fitting itself. Let me just plug that in now. So I've just connected it up to one of our 350 milliamp transformers, and you can see there that's the 3000 Kelvin light output. These do come in a 600 mil version as well, so if you wanted it taller, that is available, so just worth noting. And then what you can do is take the hood off and click the little button there, the colour switchable button, and then we have 2200 Kelvin. So you can switch between the two and select whichever's best for your garden. So if you have it on the 2200, that might be better for like a dark skies scheme, but the 3000 would fit better with the sort of standard Collingwood range. So that was the new Collingwood Spydra. If you have any questions, do let us know. They're now in stock, so ready for next day delivery.